everyone, this is Gina Victoria. I am back and welcome back to my channel. I am a beauty expert and educator, and I teach babes how to become bosses in the beauty and fashion industry. If this is your first time here, welcome to my channel. I would love to add you to my family of other beauty bosses, so please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to set up a makeup station. I always jokingly tell people that it's a science. You want to make sure you are working effectively and efficiently, so that way you are able to finish up your client in a timely manner. And to be able to do so, organization is key. So I'm going to show you how to set up a makeup station so that way you can finish your client in a timely manner and stay organized. If you're interested in seeing a makeup station setup, keep watching. In this clip, I am giving you a peek of my makeup vanity station. I have my director's chair, my ring light, and then the makeup setup at the vanity station. Off camera, I already disinfect my surface, and then I place paper towels down on the area that I'll be working. I'm going to start by putting my makeup brushes down first in a makeup brush holder. One side will contain my clean brushes, and then as I start to use the brushes, I'll transfer them over to the opposite side. And here I have makeup brush cleaner. Just like English writing, I like to start from left to right. So in the upper left hand corner, I'm going to be placing my skin prep products. So I have everything down from makeup remover, primer, moisturizer, and then setting spray. Right underneath the skin prep, we're going to be putting the complexion products. Now, how do I know what complexion products should I put out? And that is going to be based on the skin tone of the clientele that you cater to. After you have established a clientele, you'll start to know what shades you reach for the most or what products you reach for the most, and those will be the products that you put out. So I'm going to be putting out my stainless steel palette along with my spatula, and then a few of disposable products. I have Q-tips and then mascara wands. Lashes are one of the last things that I do put on, and the lashes that I'm setting out are like a commonly used lash type, which I would assume those are like wispies. I have my lash tools like my scissors, my tweezers, and my lash glue, and then I'm going to be putting some mascara down here shortly and then transferring the mascara wands close to the lash products. Then I have brow products, which is like brow wax and brow powder along with the eyeshadow primer. Finishing off the complexion products, I have setting powder and then pressed powder. In the center, I'm going to be placing an eyeshadow palette. And then underneath the eyeshadow palette, I have a contour and blush palette. And then to the right of that, I'm going to be placing down a highlighter palette. Every makeup artist has their own preference on whether they like to do the eyes first or do the face first. You do not have to put your products in the order that I put mine. Customize your setup in the order you complete a makeup application. This setup is coming to completion. We're going to finish it up by putting our lip products out. We have lip liner, liquid lipstick, and lip gloss. In the beginning of my artistry career, I used to put my whole kit laid out on the table, which slowed me down because I had to rummage through the stuff to find the shade or the product that I was looking for. With this easy setup, I was able to gain speed, and as I gained speed, I was able to maximize my time and increase clientele, which generated more revenue. And as a traveling makeup artist, you know it's a headache to pack everything back up. And that is it. That is what I call a simple makeup station setup. Now, if you are one who has more makeup or like to work with more makeup out, I will get a large towel or more paper towels. So that way you are able to accommodate your products, or you could actually work out of your makeup kit. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave them down below in the comment section. And if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I will see you all later. Bye-bye.